Thank you for joining the Future Talk course, assembled and presented by myself, Brandon Copeland, and of course, I had a bit of help from my team. The reason for me assembling this course or presenting it is not because I wanted to assemble a course. When I released the book and had the opportunity to share it with other people, they absolutely loved it. However, as with all things that we love, or should I say, deeply enjoy, there were a few questions. Hey, could you expound upon this? How do I do this? Hey, what if you could tell us how to do that too? So instead of creating, let's say, a 600-page book, I thought, okay, well, perhaps I will answer just, a couple questions, maybe, the two or three that are most commonly asked. But then I thought, well, what about questions that I had in the process of assembling everything, or developing my company, and then even some when writing the book or moving into the App Store, etc., etc. Before you know it, I had a course with 6 modules and 42 lessons, probably anywhere between 300 and 400 slides. More than that, actually, but I got rid of a huge chunk of information just because it was, information overload. So I wanted to reduce everything to a format that is as quick and easy and as digestible as possible for someone who just really wants to move from A to Z as briskly as they can. So here we have the Future Talk course. This is Module 1, in which we shall establish the groundwork for your idea. Within this course, you will learn the framework, steps, stages, and mindset required to successfully achieve the following. Identifying an industry for your idea, that would be number 1. Number 2, selecting your niche. Number 3, leveraging your current skill set. Number 4, establishing your idea. Number 5, applying the Frag Me Long framework to almost anything. Number 6, working within a limited budget, which consists only of your personal wages. Number 7, accessing research methods. And number 8, evaluating your services. Number 9 would be to create your customer. Number 10, creating your brand. Number 11, assembling your team if required. Number 12, leveraging technology. 13, developing a proof of concept. 14, moving into the App Store. 15, preparing for scale. And 16, so much more. All right, so essentially we assembled a roadmap to move you from your current starting point into a functional startup as fast as possible. This particular structure only requires for you to use your personal wages, so you will not require any outside capital injections or loans or borrowing from your aunt or your best friend or whatever the case is. Just keep it simple. This format will work if you are employed at, let's say, anything from a Dunkin' Donuts to a Starbucks to Uber to an Amazon factory. It does not require a huge amount of capital. And this is something that you are doing for yourself on your own time. So you can move as fast or as slow as you like. And as we always suggest, there are no overnight solutions. So don't take any shortcuts. Don't try. Nothing can replace hard work. I promise that if you apply the information that you receive within this course, you will be able to at least get your idea off the ground. 2, this course is designed to be not only educational, but one of the most riveting experiences that you shall gain through online learning. So get comfortable. Let's not waste any time. Grab a hot coffee, a pen, and a notepad, and we'll see you in lesson 2.